Okay, so I got my exhaust finished right here, as you can see. It clears that. Bam. So I built an exhaust shield right up in there. I don't think it's gonna focus properly. And I had to do some bumper trimming right there. So I didn't actually add a new muffler, but I put a shield right here so you can see. And this is painted with 2000 degree ceramic paint. So I painted it on both sides, so it's pretty good. I'll try to get an under view so you can see what I did. Yeah, this, and I painted this too with ceramic paint. So I got ceramic paint here, ceramic paint here, ceramic paint here. This is gonna get painted because it's mounted up, and this took me a long time to do. So here, I'll try to get it a different view here. So yeah, I don't know if I can zoom. So I got a few things to do. So the things I have to do is I have to go to the front of the engine and reroute my wastegate, my dump tube. It actually is cocked at an angle, and it's gonna dump exhaust right onto the transfer case, and I don't want that. So I gotta move that. This was a pain in the ass. I had to order some new V-bands. I ordered Road Performers, and you get 2 for $39.99, and that was a great deal right there. These V-bands are the best I've ever used. Like, they don't even, like, they're really good compared to the Chinese ones. So that's my old V-band right there. The Road Performer is right there, and then there's one at the front. But they're different than the other V-bands. They got a heavier clamp. You can see too, the clamp is heavier. This is my resonator right here, my vibrant ultra quiet resonator. It's not quiet at all. And then my vibrant muffler. I did some, here, let me get into focus. I did some work here. So I had to do this, and I had no choice. Because I'm running the all-wheel drive fuel tank, and I can't back these up with spacers and push it back farther, I had to re-weld this. I'll show you the difference. See how it sits upright? I had to cut this off right here and move it back. It was over here, so I had to do that. And I'll show you the difference between the other. Why my video cut off there, but see, you can see the angle. This thing is pushed all the way out right here. I'm pretty sure this is gonna break off. I started to cut it here, but this is actually a lot of work. I had to put metal spacers in here because it's welded up, and then the way they just mount it. So this is gonna be cut off and pushed back here, and then this will sit straight up. But the trick is, see, they're right here, you can't see, but there's an indent on where they welded it, and there's no indent here. So when I move it, I have to put some like metal spacers here welded up to raise it up so this doesn't hit the metal right here. Yeah, here you can't see, there's a dip, so when it sits in here like this, it doesn't touch anything. And I gotta move it right here, so this is like this. And I'll show you the other side again so you can see the difference. I couldn't let that go. I mean, I don't want to just sit there and have it look crappy and have it look all retarded. I'd rather just fix it like this. And I just repainted it. So yeah, I added spacers here, welded it here, and this thing works perfect. I wouldn't need to relocate it if my gas tank wasn't back here. If you just have a regular fuel cell, you don't need to do this, but I did it anyways. So just a few more things I gotta do. I gotta paint the exhaust with 2000 degree paint. I need to clean it up under there and basically wire wheel it, paint it on the top and bottom, and then fix my sway bar on the back and relocate the bracket, and then fix my wastegate, and I'm done. I'm not counting the wastegate part as the all-wheel drive build because it's separate. I've been doing other stuff along with this build, fixing, you know, past projects and making it better because I didn't have a welder then, and now I have a welder. So that's the update so far. Everything is looking OEM and perfect. So stay tuned for the next one.